Well, hi guys and gals. Thanks for watching my channel. I really appreciate it if you could put a thumbs up and also maybe a subscribe would help me out a whole bunch. We're over here at a school ground, and over here I thought we'd go around this way and look around different places. You know, where there's kids, there's always coins. Let me show you some of my settings. I'm in all terrain, trash, reject. My noise canceling, let's see. Still -3, no, 0. And let's see, ground balance. Let's just try this out. About 56. Recovery speed's about 4. Discrimination, let's see. I don't know if you can see this one little line. It's about 29 to 31 right in here. And that's discriminating out the pull tab range. And some people say you've lost a lot of rings that way. Probably so. But I don't have to pull so many pull tabs. Let's go detect. Let's see what we have. Well, my first find's a quarter. Can't beat that. You can see it right over here. Well, it looks like it's a 1970 quarter, so that's pretty good. I think the quarter is in this little clump of dirt. There it is. Can't make sure what that is. Looks like it got hit by a lawnmower or something. But a nice quarter. It's in the same area, so someone dropped some change. Appears it's right in here. It's in the same area. I didn't think I covered up the hole and had to redig it again. Oh, there it is right there. It looks like a dime. Pretty good. A Roosevelt dime, a Rosie. Okay, that's great. I'm guessing it's another quarter. So it appears it's somewhere. Oh, there it is. And it looks like a modern day quarter. Still a quarter. Think that's another quarter. Right here is another quarter. Well, I tried to clean it off as well as possible, but it looks like it's a 1991, so it's not too old. But in a way, it is. Well, I just covered up this hole. That's the one I just dug. And I went over it and real close. I don't know if you can see it or not. is this quarter right here. So 2 quarters right, pretty close together. Okay, well, we found a few coins today. We're getting ready to go back home. The sugar bow's on right now. I'd like to see that. Hope everyone has a happy new year. Again, if you could give me a thumbs up, that helps me out. We'll catch you later.